Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I just want to share with you guys how I installed these super cute trendy tress goddess curl crochet braids. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, stay tuned. So the first thing I did, I washed my hair and made sure to moisturize it, and then I went in and braided my hair into 9 small cornrows in the front, and I only braided the front half of my hair into 9, and then the back half I ended up gathering as many as I could and making 4 bigger cornrows in the back, and then I just sewed up the rest with my weaving thread. So this is the hair in the package and it's very soft. I actually wasn't expecting the color to be so bright, but I gave it a try anyways. So now I'm just separating the hair into as many pieces as I can, and now I have done most of my hair. I just wanted to do it first to make sure I could do it because this is my first time actually doing a crochet style. And as you can see, I was still struggling a little bit, but it got a lot easier as I went on. So I'm just taking a small piece of hair, putting it in the hook, closing the latch, and pulling that through. And I think that one got caught on something, so I had to take it back and then make sure the latch was closed. And then I'm just taking the hair and putting it through the loop. I put it through about 6 times just because the hair is pretty slippery, so it wasn't really staying if I did any less than 5 or 6. And then I also found that it was a lot easier to keep that in without it slipping out if I did take another tiny piece of hair and just knot it. So now I'm done. I've completed my install and I'm just going through to make sure it doesn't look too thin in any areas. And now I am going to just kind of like gently comb through to make sure I get out any of those like straggly ends or any pieces that are not very secure. So now I am just going to trim and kind of give it a better shape. So I just did a couple layers, and again, like I'm not a professional at cutting hair, I just kind of went for it and tried to cut the areas that I thought would, you know, better the shape and give it a bit more volume. And so this is the final look. I went ahead and just put some makeup on just to complete the look. And I'm really loving the cut. I love the hair. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you would try this hair. I will be linking all of the important information in the description box. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!